Hello friends, welcome back to One Fashion Spot. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified on new videos. In this video, we'll be seeing a collection of different cotton midi length dresses. The midi length dress means it is a comfortable length of dress for most Indian women and it extends 2 inches below the knee and above the ankle. It is longer than the knee dress but shorter than the full length dress. It is made from a variety of materials and it can be used in every season. It can be worn alone or paired with other dresses like overcoats or capes or even jeans. It is according to our wish you can style these dresses, but generally this cotton midi dress is generally worn as it is and it's paired with sneakers or flats to give a very westernized kind of look, and it is most favorite among young women and college going girls. Cotton being a very easy and a comfortable fabric to wear, this dress is a preferred dress during summers when the weather is very hot. You can wear these kinds of dresses to be very comfortable and look very stylish as well. There are many prints in cotton such as the jacquard prints or the polka dot prints that looks very well and goes very well with this kind of dress. As this dress is in comfortable length, it can be worn in formal parties and formal places also without being worried about being looking modest. There are very many different cuts and varieties and neck designs, back designs, sleeve designs can be added to this dress to make it very interesting, with frills and bows can be added to make them extra special. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned new videos on fashion and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.